The optical microscope, often referred to as the light optical microscope, is a type of microscope that uses visible light and a system of lenses to magnify images. This lesson identifies the various parts of the microscope. Light from a mirror is reflected up through the specimen, or object to be viewed, into the powerful objective lens, which produces the first magnification.
The first number is the magnification number of the lens. The second number is a decimal number to show the light gathering ability of the lens.